Hello IG Garage family, ever wondered why your fuel gauge is behaving strangely or showing inconsistent readings? Imagine running out of fuel unexpectedly or filling up more often than necessary. If your scanner shows code P0461, you're in the right place. In this video I'll explain what P0461 means, show you where to locate the critical sensor causing the issue, and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. P0461 stands for Fuel Level Sensor Circuit Range Performance. This code indicates that the fuel level sensor is sending unexpected or out-of-range signals to the Engine Control Module, ECM. This can lead to inaccurate fuel gauge readings and inconvenience for drivers. Here's where you'll find the fuel level sensor. This sensor is usually integrated with the fuel pump module located inside the fuel tank. You'll need to access it by removing the rear seat or through a service panel under the car, depending on your vehicle. Check the wiring connecting the sensor to the ECM. It's usually routed near the fuel tank and runs along the undercarriage. Here's how P0461 can affect your car. The fuel gauge shows incorrect readings or fluctuates. You may find yourself refueling more frequently than needed. The check engine light is illuminated with code P0461. Common causes include a faulty fuel level sensor, corroded or damaged wiring in the fuel pump module, issues with the ECM receiving incorrect signals. To resolve this issue, inspect the fuel level sensor, check for physical damage or wear on the sensor, replace it if necessary. Test the wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose connections or damaged wires. Repair or replace as needed. Check the fuel pump module. Sometimes, replacing the entire module is required if the sensor is integrated and damaged. Clear the code. After repairs, use your obd2 scanner to clear the code and verify the fix during a test drive. That's how you diagnose and fix P0461. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. For related issues, check out our video on P0230 to learn about fuel pump circuit problems or P0200 for fuel injector circuit diagnostics. See you in the next video, and keep your ride running smoothly with IG Garage.